There is a lot of plastic damage. You can see here some broken plastics. Before we start this video, I want to explain you guys what happened with the car after 2 weeks of absence. After I took the car out from the dealership with the charging problem, I did a whoopsie and I hit a rabbit or a bird and I damaged the left air flaps. Today we will be repairing the car with original parts, and I want to explain you today why I do this by myself. So in order to afford this car, I run this workshop and I repair cars like this on a daily basis. So this is not something new for me, but of course it's more special because it's my car. So for today's repair, we have a front sticker. The flaps, which interestingly it comes with the actuator itself. This is the air to the braking system. This is another duct which is broken as well. And this is the support which goes just underneath the bumper. This is also broken and I want to replace this as well. All these parts costed me 860 euros, and I will explain it today why I will do this repair with my own money. I want this car to have a clean title, if you want to call it this way. These are all Porsche original parts. You can see on every label the Porsche logo. And before we start this repair, on keyless cars it's very important to open the bonnet and to lock the car, because this keyless function, what it does, basically every error that it gets, it is memorized in the key, and when you start the car you might have some errors on your dashboard. See, this flap right here is damaged, and we are going to swap this one with a brand new one. And I also saw that this air conducting thing is not really necessarily broke. Oh yes, it's broken. Look, it's broken, and I have to replace this. Also, I have this the part just here. Now let me show you what happened here. So you can see this air flap is totally broken, but fortunately, oh yes, this one is broken as well. I have to replace every single part I ordered. Let's get into it. Finished every single part to disassemble, and now I've assessed the damage, and every single part I've ordered is in fact broken, and glad I ordered more just to be sure I have everything ready to go. You might be questioning yourself why I haven't changed the splitter to the carbon design, and the reasons are: first, I want to keep the car as original as possible, and second is that all the parts are different. The only thing that remains is the bumper, and the cost would be catastrophically big. So now that I finished fitting every single new part on the bumper, I want to inspect every single connector to make sure that is connected, and then we will fit the new air flap, and we are good to go. I will be washing this car right now because it has fingerprints all over the car, and I am so glad I finished this. So what parts have been replaced? This support right here. I've replaced this entire support just for this small crack right here. This has been replaced for this crack. The splitter has been replaced just for this scratch right here. The flaps were replaced entirely. This comes as one piece. You can see the part numbers on the screen. So the actuator was brand new. This thing was replaced too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will finish this one with a B-roll, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao!